Wow. There are a lot of people here. I need to check in for my flight.
Oh. Hi, you need to walk straight down, then turn left. You'll see the check-in counters in front of you. There is also a sign for it. Where is flying to?
Thanks for your help. I'm flying to Hanoi.
Is that the capital of Vietnam?
That's right. And you, where are you flying to?
I will attend my sister's wedding in Australia.
That's exciting. Well, I'd better get going. Check-in closes 30 minutes before the flight. Hi there, I'd like to check in for my flight.
Good afternoon. Where are you flying today?
Hanoi, Vietnam.
May I see your passport?
Sure, here you are.
How many luggage do you have?
2 suitcases. I have a transit in Hong Kong. So, will I need to collect my luggage there?
No, your luggage will be transferred to Hanoi. So, you only need to pick it up when you get to Hanoi. Here is your passport and your boarding passes. Your flight leaves from gate 20, and it will begin boarding at 8 p.m. Your seat number is 15B. You will need to go through security next. Enjoy your flight.
Thanks for your help. Bye. I'm not sure how to find the correct gate. Excuse me. Can you help me find the gate for my flight?
Sure. Can I see the departures board up there? It shows you the boarding gate and time.
Oh. I can see it say my flight to Hanoi is at 8 p.m. and the gate number is 20.
Exactly. It also says that your flight is on time. You're lucky. My flight to Australia is delayed.
Oh. I'm sorry to hear that. Thank you for your help.
Welcome to Vietnam. May I see your passport?
Hi. Sure. Here it is, and here is my visa.
Thank you. Where do you live?
United States.
Please state your full name, age, and nationality.
My name is Anna Pham. I'm 25 years old, and I'm American.
Oh, it's interesting that you have a British accent.
Yes, that's because I lived in London for most of my childhood. But I was actually born and raised in the United States.
And what's the purpose of your visit to Vietnam?
I'm going to visit my sister. She lives in Hanoi.
How long do you plan to stay in Hanoi?
About 1 month.
What do you do for a living?
Oh, I don't have a job yet. I'm a student at university.
Your papers look fine. You have a tourist visa for 1 month.
Yes, that's right. I plan to explore Hanoi with my sister.
Which tourist attractions are you planning to visit?
I'm not sure yet. My sister is planning all that for us.
All right. Do you any valuables to declare?
Oh, no, I don't.
Have you brought any food into the country?
Just some potatoes. I bought in Hong Kong during my stopover.
I'm afraid I'll have to take those.
Why? They're just potatoes.
We don't allow meat, dairy products, and potatoes into the country.
All right, here they are.
Do you have anything else?
Just a handbag. I bought for my sister as a gift.
That's fine. Anything else?
No, that's all.
Okay. You can go ahead. Enjoy your stay in Hanoi.
Thank you. Bye.
That's all for today. I hope you liked this video. I hope this video will help improve your English listening skills. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. See you again in the next videos.